We talked about hair for the elementary age girls. Now we're moving on to middle school and high school. Now you get to these ages and the kids are much more so on their own, and mom might just need to guide.
Exactly.
But if you're still struggling with what trends to do, that's why we're here to talk about things. So Jen, with Produe, what are we talking about for the trends right now?
So we'll start here with Aspen. I actually taught her mom yesterday how to do the heatless curls.
Just yesterday?
Just yesterday.
Good.
I taught her and she was able to accomplish it, and it looks great. She just slept in these overnight and took them out the next morning, and she has curls where it's just easy in the morning.
And with these, they're literally just like a soft rod. Is that the proper way to say it?
Yep,
and
they're
you
comfortable to sleep in.
Twirl the hair around it.
Yep.
And then you bend, correct? You bend
Yep.
the ends, and then, how was it to sleep in it? Aspen, you don't have a mic on, but was it okay? It was your first time? Aspen's in middle school, and you like woke up looking fabulous. That's always the best part. You pull them out, and you're
Take
like,
'em out.
hello, here I am.
And we put this little zigzag headband that's super popular just to kind of give a little spice of, you know, something extra. Accessorize is just a simple way to make it look dressed up.
If I had kept all of my accessories from the 90s, they're
coming back.
all be back in.
Always.
I totally had those headbands.
Me too.
I'm so excited to wear them again.
Yeah, yeah.
I have to. Okay, now we have Maya.
Okay, so Maya, we've done, you want to take that?
Yes,
We've
of course.
done waves on her. The waves are still really popular, but it's more of just kind of that soft, loose, beachy, as opposed to the really harsh waves.
Which I
we've
think
done.
is flattering on everybody.
I agree. It's that really soft look. We did this with a flat iron, but you can also do a wave iron to create this as well.
You just can get that look. And Maya and Sophia are both in high school, so these are quick and easy looks that you can do. And I feel like, too, the look these days, it's like, if it's not curled perfectly, it's totally okay. Yeah. Like,
Absolutely.
just let it go and just get to school. You don't have to stress as much.
And wear it a couple days in a row. Wear
Yeah.
your hair up and just kind of let it loosen up over the week.
And Maya, I noticed that you have bangs. I mean, are a lot of people wanting to do the layers in front, or is it, what's kind of the trend?
It's usually, I mean, it's definitely, I think what happened is that the curtain bangs were really in, and people are now starting to grow them out. So you're seeing these like kind of choppy pieces right around the face,
which is cute.
I love.
I do
that
too.
Face framing layer.
It's very flattering. Okay, and now moving on to Miss
Okay,
Sophia.
so I would love to encourage.
And drop those things, sorry.
I would love to encourage anybody out there that has naturally curly hair to embrace it. Look at
your
these
hair,
curls.
girl.
I'm like obsessed.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody who has bone straight hair like me
Like
wishes
us.
that they had this beautiful
This
curl.
is just beautiful.
So I love just seeing when people embrace that. Find a product that works for you. Every product line has a curl product that will help enhance your curl, and it depends on if you want to feel it kind of waxy, if you will, or like lotiony, or if you want mousse. There's pros and cons of both. So
what did you use here?
what did you use in your hair?
It was like mousse and like hair gel.
Hair gel.
And you get the look, which still looks really natural. Like, it almost doesn't even look like you have product in your hair, which is amazing.
Yeah.
You just get that very natural look. Now,
So beautiful.
accessories, I dropped one in. It's on the floor. Let me get it. So it's all things accessories. I mean, we have the fabulous headband. This is a clip. This is going to make a statement.
Absolutely.
Hello.
And just that little French twist that you can do instead of washing your hair
I have
the
it
next
upside
day.
down. There we go.
Instead of washing your hair the next day, just twist it up and put this cute little clip in.
People are wearing clips like crazy. See, we're both dropping stuff.
Trophies.
We're a mess.
But even just like the little bow, turn your head to the side, even just like the little
Cute.
bow clip that just dresses it up instantly. Accessories are a great way to just make it look polished.
It could be, this is your daytime at school look, and then you add that clip and you're out for whatever event.
Yeah.
For something. And of course, scrunchies. The
Scrunchies.
bows are back in.
Bows
Gosh,
are
it's
hot
all
this
in.
year. Yes, so cute.
Love it. Girls, you look fabulous. Starting school next week. Best of luck. Middle school, high school. Oh my gosh, I remember those days. Feels like forever ago. Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.